Hi everyone, welcome back to BigChills channel, and on today's video I'm going to show us how to salt. If you remember, we stocked this fish 4 days ago, so today making them 4 days, but we noticed there are some shooters already, so we are separating them into 2 white tanks and grading them to equal size so that we won't have a lot of cannibalism. So if you're new to farming or you're already farming and you don't know much about salting, so watch this video from beginning to the end so you understand. Stay tuned. So first, you wash all your salting equipment. You have the big rubber, smaller one, this and this. While washing, use salt to disinfect all of them thoroughly for starting, so that you won't give your newly fish any bacteria. That's why all this salting, all this cleaning with salt is necessary, so you won't transfer any bacteria to them. We are putting all the fish inside and we are using this one to salt them. This is our salting bowl. Okay. You put red oil in all the bowls you're using, so that the stress will not be much on your fish. Just little is okay. Do it in all the 3 bowls you're using. So this is the first sorting, and this is the second one. Inside here we have fish that can pick 2 mm already. So it's time to transfer them back into their house. Like I said in my previous video, when you want to put your fish back into the tank, you introduce it gently. This is the second sorting, and I'm transferring them back into their own house also. Come to camera inside. This is the second sorting, that's the smallest size, and this other one is the first sorting, the big size. Those one will be picking 2 mm from today, while this one will continue feeding on 1.5 mm for the rest of the week. So that's all for today. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you in another video.